Whoa! Thomas! Thomas! Ah! What, Percy? What is it? Your face looks different. Huh? What do you mean? Let me go check.
A few moments later.
Well, Percy, you're right. I do look different. Do you think Blue Train with Friends got an update? I sure do. Oh no. Not the brown box on wheels. Have I ever told you the time? No! Hello, Henry. Oh, hello, James. You look different. Well, I sure do, because Blue Trains with Friends got an update. A massive update. Can't you see? Oh my. Look all around you. Okay. Da 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 da. You're right. Which usually isn't very often, because you aren't right half the time, because you're usually drunk. Yup, but not drunk now. As I still have a drinking addiction, but I'm not drunk right now, because I'm taking a break. I'm gonna be drunk for like the next few episodes of the series. But even though this video isn't involved with the new series that Robert has made, because Robert has already posted the first episode and it already has like 40 something views in just 2 or 3 days. And that's interesting. Yes, it is rather strange. Gonna have to try and be more funnier next time in the next episode. And I believe he'll have 2 friends in the next episode, collaborating with him instead of 1. Yep, that is correct, James. He'll have 2. You hear me? 2 friends with him. Well, that seemed interesting and all. I have some trucks to pull. Bye, you two. And so he left, and Gordon returned. Hello, my 2 friends. I can see that the game has got an update. It sure has. Hello, people of the internet. This is Percy. Let you know that this is the end of the video. Please like, subscribe, and comment. And hit the notification bell to be sure to subscribe. And also as of recording this outro, um, James has James's face has been updated. Yesterday, a day or two ago. And this is what he looks like now. Okay, anyways, gotta take this train now. Bye.